Hi guys, welcome back to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to set custom wallpaper ringtone. So before proceeding, please share, like and subscribe so that you'll never miss any update. So now I'm going to show you how to set custom ringtone. So first we're going to on the setting, and next you can search it here, or you can search, scroll down and search it. So I'll search here. Here's a ringtone, so it is from sound and vibration, the ringtone. So next we have to, now here is a ringtone. So for custom ringtone, here here also is your default notification ringtone and message tone. And these default ringtone, it's a default notification ringtone, so you can choose here, or if you want to choose by the ringtone also, you can by your phone ringtone, or here you can select from files if you wanted to add by the audio. So like here, same as here, and message tone also. So for custom ringtone, you will click on the ringtone, and then after that we will click here, select from files. The custom ringtone are the ringtone that the, it is the downloaded song and that downloaded audio. So you can click any from the audio that you have downloaded. So after that, after you have done click that audio, then it will show in here, and what audio you have choose, it will show here. So this is it guys, of how to set custom ringtone. So thank you for watching, and I hope you like it.